How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Logitech webcam not working. So this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to check the physical connection. So if you're using something like a USB port, you could just basically unplug it and try plugging it onto another port, making sure that the USB port is properly working. You could also try cleaning the wire or the cables right here, making sure that there are no stuck debris or dirt inside of it. From there, let's then head over to our device, and then you could just simply search for the device manager. Inside this page, look for your webcam. Now, ideally, there will be the human interface on this page right here. But generally, in my case, I have it inside the human interface devices. Just make sure that you have look for the right device. Now, let's say that this is my device right here. We have the IHD compliant device, but of course, in my case, it won't be the name of your device right here. Normally, it will be set to Logitech. So right after looking at your webcam, you could just right click on it, click on update drivers, and then you want to search automatically for drivers online. But if you don't want to, of course, you could get one on the internet by clicking on this browse my computer for drivers. Now, to easily finish this step, you want to click on the first one, click the search for update drivers on Windows Update, and then it will try to update our specific device right here. Or you could also try updating to the latest version by clicking on the download and install right here. This will then fix the issue for our Logitech camera not working. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.